So, crack formed here, little micro earthquakes in the state of Florida. And anyways, what I did was I examined it with a razor knife. Right there, that's $1 at Dollar Tree. These are tools I've bought many times over the years, and no matter how many of them I buy, there's always a goddamn problem. It's like, okay, so where's the puncture thing? And it's not on here, but I want a tray that supports it completely, because some of these get, like, I don't know, the tubes wear out or something. I don't know how to describe it. I prefer it to be cradled. This one's like all pretending to be elite, holding it just up and down and centered on this. But anyways, it has the needle that I'm needing right now. And so there's for the putty. This will get the putty into place. This is $1 at the Dollar Tree. This other stuff came from Ace. That was like $50 some a week ago, 40 something plus tax, $50 a week ago, and this was $10 a week ago. Mud daubers and rain. 1 week of exposure. Project got sidetracked. My Ford Windstar is currently at Tires Plus, waiting for them to change the tire on it. They had to order it from another store, so on around there, and then about 5 miles over. And got home, I'm like, well, not working on the van or anything, can't run any of the errands to buy stuff for the backyard. I have to get some silicone paint. I'm going to put down a silicone surface on the deck and then put a 7x7 shed on top of an 8x8 deck. And so we got a little bit of a hole in there, and put that in, I guess, this one, and then use the spackle knife, putty knife, and see if we can fix that up, and then open up the can of paint and see what we can do with that. I did need to read the curing time on here. I thought it was like 24 hours or something. Mud daubers and rain. I got news for you. God, or DARPA God, the technology that influences, can control insects, mosquitoes and mud daubers and many things. They can actually steer them around. So malaria and diseases are stuff that someone has given to people by steering insects towards them. All right.